president and his government are hoping that we will have most of the pharmaceutical companies setting up in Kabati. But there are many other opportunities. We have agro-processing among many others. So we urge the people of Murang'a, kindly take advantage of this privilege that you have been given and ensure that we help to build Murang'a and build Kenya.
Wakulima wanalima vitu nyingi kama maize, wanakulima avocado na hawana soko. So we can only become rich as a country and as a country when you create industries. And we are happy God has given us that opportunity. Ambao saa hizi hatuongei doto, ni kitu kinaonekana ati factories are about to be established in this region and we become one of the richest county in this republic.
Today's ceremony marks the start of progress in our efforts to open up the EPZ program further by establishing additional public zones while replicating what we already have at EPZ at the river. This is expected to provide our export-oriented investments with a wide range of investment destination. Further, it will not only expand market reach, but also contribute significantly to Kenya's export earnings and strengthen our position in the global market, as well as foreign direct investments.